Are you tired of spending money on expensive shampoos that promise to reverse gray hair and stop hair loss, but deliver zero results? What if I told you the best solution can be made in your kitchen with simple, natural ingredients? Most commercial shampoos are loaded with harsh chemicals that damage your hair and scalp, making problems worse over time. The truth is, a homemade shampoo with the right ingredients can support scalp health, nourish hair follicles, and create optimal conditions for pigmented hair growth. Today, I'm revealing the best homemade shampoo recipe to reverse gray hair and stop hair loss based on ingredient research. This isn't a miracle cure, but it's a gentle, effective alternative to chemical-laden products. Stick around because I'll share the exact recipe and why each ingredient matters. The best homemade shampoo for reversing gray hair and stopping hair loss combines liquid Castile soap as a gentle cleanser, coconut milk for moisture and nutrients, rosemary essential oil for circulation and growth, amla powder for antioxidants and traditional gray hair benefits, vitamin E oil for scalp health, and apple cider vinegar for pH balance. Each ingredient serves a specific purpose. Liquid Castile soap serves as the base cleanser. Castile soap made from vegetable oils cleanses effectively without harsh sulfates, removing dirt and oil while being gentle enough not to strip natural sebum. Use unscented Castile soap, approximately 1/4 cup for a batch. Coconut milk provides moisture, healthy fats, and minerals. It contains lauric acid with antimicrobial properties, B vitamins, vitamin E, and minerals that nourish the scalp. Use 1/4 cup of full-fat coconut milk for creamy texture and nutrients. Rosemary essential oil improves scalp circulation and has research-supported benefits for hair growth. Studies show rosemary oil performed comparably to minoxidil for hair growth in some trials. Rosemary improves microcirculation in the scalp, has antioxidant properties, and may support hair follicle health. Add 10 to 15 drops of pure rosemary essential oil. Amla powder, made from Indian gooseberry, is revered in Ayurvedic medicine for hair health. Amla is exceptionally rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that protect hair follicles from oxidative damage. Use 1 tablespoon of amla powder mixed into the formula. Vitamin E oil provides powerful antioxidant protection for the scalp. Vitamin E protects cell membranes from free radical damage and supports scalp health. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Apple cider vinegar balances pH and removes buildup. It has a pH similar to healthy scalp and hair, helps close hair cuticles for shine, and removes mineral and product buildup. Use 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar. Optional ingredients include lavender essential oil for calming properties at 5 to 10 drops, peppermint essential oil for cooling sensation and circulation at 5 drops, and curry leaf powder for traditional gray hair support at 1 tablespoon. The preparation process is straightforward and takes about 10 minutes. Making fresh small batches ensures ingredients remain active and effective. Gather all ingredients and equipment. You'll need liquid Castile soap, full-fat coconut milk, rosemary essential oil, amla powder, vitamin E oil, apple cider vinegar, and optional oils. For equipment, use a mixing bowl, whisk, measuring cups and spoons, and a glass storage bottle with a pump or squeeze top. Mix the base by pouring 1/4 cup of liquid Castile soap into your mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of coconut milk slowly while stirring to combine. The mixture will look creamy and pale. Add the amla powder. Measure 1 tablespoon and whisk it into the mixture thoroughly to avoid clumps. Whisk vigorously for about 1 minute until smooth. Incorporate the oils. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil and stir well. Then add 10 to 15 drops of rosemary essential oil and any optional essential oils. Add the apple cider vinegar. Measure 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar and stir it into the mixture. The vinegar smell will dissipate and be masked by essential oils. Final mixing and storage. Whisk the entire mixture thoroughly for another minute to ensure everything is well incorporated. Transfer the shampoo to your storage bottle using a funnel if needed. Label your bottle with the preparation date and ingredients. Natural shampoos without synthetic preservatives last about 2 to 3 weeks when refrigerated. Keep this shampoo refrigerated between uses to maintain freshness and prevent bacterial growth. The consistency will be thinner than commercial shampoo and may separate slightly. This is normal for natural formulations. Simply shake the bottle before each use. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand homemade shampoo for gray hair and hair loss better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about natural hair health, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The application technique matters significantly for getting the best results. How you use a product can be as important as the product itself. Prepare your hair by wetting it thoroughly with warm water. Warm water opens hair cuticles slightly and helps cleansing products work effectively. Spend about 30 seconds ensuring all hair is saturated from roots to ends. Apply the shampoo to your scalp. Shake the bottle to remix the ingredients if separation has occurred. Dispense about 1 to 2 tablespoons into your palm. Massage the scalp. Apply the shampoo to your scalp and use your fingertips, not nails, to massage gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Scalp massage improves circulation, helps distribute product evenly, and provides gentle stimulation that supports hair follicle health. Work through the length. After massaging the scalp thoroughly, work the shampoo down through the length of your hair gently. Hair lengths need less aggressive cleansing than the scalp. The resting period is important. Leave the shampoo on your hair and scalp for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. This allows the rosemary oil to improve circulation and the amla powder to provide benefits. Rinse thoroughly with cool to lukewarm water. Cooler final rinse water helps close hair cuticles for shine and seals in moisture. Spend at least 1 to 2 minutes ensuring all shampoo is rinsed out. Use 2 to 3 times per week rather than daily. Overwashing, even with gentle shampoo, can strip natural oils. Scalp produces sebum that protects and nourishes hair. Between washes, use water only or dry shampoo if needed. Giving your scalp days to produce natural oils supports overall hair health. For best results, combine this homemade shampoo with addressing internal causes of gray hair and hair loss. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might want to try this homemade shampoo for gray hair and hair loss. Here's the honest truth about what a homemade shampoo for gray hair and hair loss can actually do. A homemade shampoo cannot reverse gray hair caused by nutritional deficiencies or genetic factors because reversal requires addressing internal causes like B12 or copper deficiency. However, homemade shampoo can create a healthier scalp environment, reduce inflammation that damages hair follicles, improve circulation, and avoid harsh chemicals. Healthy hair growth and pigmentation require optimal scalp conditions. Inflammation, buildup from commercial products, chemical damage, and poor circulation all impair hair follicle function. A gentle natural shampoo addresses these external factors while you work on internal causes. Commercial shampoos strip natural oils with harsh sulfates, contain synthetic fragrances that cause irritation, include silicones that create buildup, and add preservatives that may disrupt scalp microbiome. A well-formulated homemade shampoo uses natural cleansing ingredients that remove dirt without stripping the scalp, herbs and botanicals that provide antioxidants, essential oils that improve circulation, and natural conditioners that maintain moisture balance. Realistic expectations matter. If gray hair is caused by vitamin B12 deficiency, no shampoo will fix it because you need internal supplementation. If hair loss is from androgenic alopecia or thyroid disease, shampoo alone won't solve it. But maintaining optimal scalp health supports whatever other interventions you're using. Benefits include reduced scalp irritation, improved scalp health from natural ingredients, better moisture balance without buildup, cost savings compared to expensive products, and avoiding potentially harmful synthetic chemicals. The most important aspect involves addressing internal causes while using this supportive shampoo. Gray hair and hair loss result primarily from internal factors requiring internal solutions. Melanocytes producing hair pigment and follicles growing hair need specific nutrients delivered through your bloodstream, proper hormone balance, adequate blood flow, and protection from oxidative stress. Topical treatments alone cannot provide these requirements. For gray hair reversal, Vitamin B12 status must be tested and corrected if deficient. B12 deficiency is one of the most common reversible causes of premature graying. Supplementing with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily corrects deficiency over 3 to 6 months. Copper levels must be adequate for tyrosinase enzyme function in melanin production. Copper deficiency directly causes graying, and supplementation at 1 to 2 milligrams daily can help. Whole food sources like oysters, nuts, and seeds provide bioavailable copper. Chronic stress management protects melanocyte stem cells from depletion. Research from Columbia University showed stress reduction can reverse recent graying. Daily meditation, exercise, quality sleep, and stress management preserve stem cell populations. For hair loss, addressing the underlying cause matters most. Androgenic alopecia requires treatments like minoxidil or finasteride for men, or minoxidil and anti-androgens for women. Thyroid disorders need hormone replacement, and nutritional deficiencies need correction. Iron deficiency in women contributes to both hair loss and graying. Ferritin levels below 40 nanograms per milliliter impair hair growth. Iron supplementation under medical supervision corrects deficiency. The comprehensive approach combines this gentle shampoo with targeted supplementation based on testing, daily stress reduction practices, dietary improvements including nutrient-dense foods, adequate sleep and exercise, and medical treatment of underlying conditions. The biggest mistake is expecting shampoo to reverse gray hair and stop hair loss on its own without addressing internal nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, and lifestyle factors that actually cause these problems. Shampoo is external and cannot fix internal deficiencies or hormonal issues. While homemade shampoo creates healthier scalp conditions, it cannot deliver nutrients into your bloodstream, correct B12 or copper deficiency, balance hormones, or reduce chronic stress. These internal factors are the primary drivers. Melanocytes need B12 delivered through blood to produce melanin, and hair follicles need adequate nutrients from circulation to grow. Topical application cannot provide these. Another mistake is not making fresh batches regularly and using old shampoo that has degraded. Natural formulations without synthetic preservatives have limited shelf life. Beneficial compounds break down over time. Using this shampoo too frequently strips natural oils despite being gentler than commercial products. Even natural cleansers remove sebum when used daily. 2 to 3 times weekly washing allows sebum production that protects scalp and hair. Not refrigerating the shampoo leads to bacterial or mold growth. Natural water-based products need refrigeration to prevent contamination. Expecting immediate visible results within days or weeks leads to disappointment. Hair grows slowly at about ½ inch per month, and scalp health improvements take time. Meaningful changes require consistent use for at least 2 to 3 months. The solution is using this shampoo as part of a comprehensive approach, including testing for and correcting nutritional deficiencies, managing chronic stress daily, treating underlying medical conditions, using appropriate medical treatments for hair loss if needed, maintaining realistic expectations, making fresh batches every 2 weeks and refrigerating, and using 2 to 3 times weekly with gentle massage technique. You now understand how the best homemade shampoo for gray hair and hair loss combines liquid Castile soap for gentle cleansing, coconut milk for moisture and nutrients, rosemary essential oil for circulation and growth support, amla powder for antioxidants, vitamin E oil for scalp protection, and apple cider vinegar for pH balance. The recipe involves mixing 1/4 cup Castile soap with 1/4 cup coconut milk, adding 1 tablespoon amla powder whisked thoroughly, incorporating 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil and 10 to 15 drops rosemary essential oil, adding 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and storing in refrigerated glass bottle for 2 to 3 weeks maximum. Application includes wetting hair thoroughly, applying shampoo to scalp and massaging for 2 to 3 minutes, working through hair lengths gently, leaving on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinsing thoroughly with cool water, and using 2 to 3 times weekly. Realistic expectations are that this shampoo creates healthier scalp conditions, reduces inflammation and chemical damage, improves circulation through massage and rosemary oil, and avoids harsh ingredients. It cannot reverse gray hair or stop hair loss caused by internal deficiencies or hormonal factors without addressing root causes. The comprehensive approach combines this shampoo with B12 supplementation at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily if deficient, copper from diet or supplements at 1 to 2 milligrams if needed, stress reduction through daily meditation and lifestyle changes, treatment of underlying conditions like thyroid disease, and medical hair loss treatments if appropriate. Success requires avoiding the biggest mistake of expecting shampoo alone to fix internal problems, making fresh batches every 2 weeks and refrigerating, using 2 to 3 times weekly with massage technique, addressing nutritional deficiencies through testing and supplementation, and maintaining consistent use for at least 2 to 3 months. Remember that supporting scalp health with this natural shampoo while addressing internal causes through nutrition and lifestyle creates optimal conditions for hair health. You won't see miracles from shampoo alone, but combined with proper internal support, it contributes to an effective comprehensive approach. If this video helped you understand the best homemade shampoo for gray hair and hair loss plus the importance of addressing internal causes, please share it with someone who could benefit from this natural approach. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health solutions. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos combining external and internal approaches. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share this homemade shampoo recipe with realistic expectations. I'll see you in the next video.